Welcome, shipmates. Today is Thursday, October 3rd. I'm Harrison Duncan.
And I'm Mason Greenhouse. There's been a change to Step Up. If you are planning on staying for Step Up and need transportation, you must sign up before 9 a.m. that morning. The sign-up binder will be with Miss Conti in the main office. Please sign in at 9 a.m. or earlier, and you have to sign in daily. Remember to turn in registration forms. Free meal and transportation are provided. If any senior would like to be considered for the PAGE program in Annapolis this spring, see Mr. Garlock in the Upper G Wing as soon as you can. Applications are due by Friday.
Attention freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. JMB's Anchors Away travel will be traveling in summer of 2021 to France, Germany, and the Alps. We will have an interest meeting on Tuesday, October 15th at 6 p.m. in the Media Center. We will discuss the trip, fundraising, opportunities, and any questions. See you on the 15th at 6 p.m. The Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, ASVAB, will be administered on Tuesday, October 8th at 8 o'clock in the Media Center. Any junior or senior interested in taking the ASVAB must sign up in the guidance office.
There will be a book club meeting on Friday, October 11th, right after school, in Miss McGann's room, G218. We will be discussing the book What I Saw and How I Lied by Judy Blundell. Attention seniors, it is time to vote on your prom theme, class song, motto, flower, and color. Vote now at clipper.wcboe.org/poll.
Tomorrow is the deadline for audition forms for Rock and Roll Revival. Auditions will take place the week of October 7th through 10th. Band tryouts Monday, October 7th in the auditorium at 5 p.m. Dancer and singer auditions will be October 8th, 9th, and 10th at 5:30 in the auditorium. Apply now. Reminder to all SGA officers, General Assembly 5th period today in the Media Center.
In sports, congratulations to the JV volleyball team for another win this week against White High. A huge shout out to Emily Garlock for finishing second in this game strong with an incredible service points. Way to go, Emily. Come see the JV volleyball team tomorrow as we travel to Snow Hill to take on another dub. On a unseasonably humid October evening in Snow Hill, the Clipper girls soccer defeated the Eagles 1-0 in a tough encounter. Late in the second half, Olivia Owens scored the second all-important winner. With some tackles resembling the padded football variety, the Clippers girls never gave an inch and stood firm to earn a deserved victory. They go 6-2 this season and now host a cater this Friday.
JMB Cheer is seeking 2 new volunteers to be our Red Morph Men or Morph Ladies to help bring out our Red Out spirit and continue our tradition. Interested? See any JMB cheerleader. To celebrate International Day of the Girl, Wycomico County Robotics will be hosting a GirlPowered Workshop on Saturday, October 12th. This workshop is meant to engage and inform young women about STEM and robotics. The workshop will include hands-on activities, robotic demonstrations, a girl-powered pledge station, and a keynote speaker. If interested, please contact Mrs. Miles at jmiles@wcboe.org. And now to Ms. Savage.
Good morning, Clippers. I just wanted to come on today and take this opportunity to thank you for all that you did yesterday as we were dealing with an investigation to a threat to our building. Despite what you may have seen on social media, there were no threat found in our building. This is a good lesson to learn that just because something gets posted on social media does not make it real. Some of you have seen some of the pictures. One looks like the police officers carrying a bag. That is our police officers being nice and helping students that were leaving the building get their book bags so they could head out of the building. That turned into a negative post by a student. And also, I think there was a picture of a student laying on the floor that turned into somebody maybe overdosing. Again, very innocent pictures turning into something that made people worried and concerned. So that is a good lesson learned for all of us and for students. Those kind of things are very serious because you create hysteria and they could result in consequences for you as well. So please be careful with what you're posting or reposting as it relates to the school. And, you know, our goal is to keep everyone safe, and we don't want anyone in harm's way, and we don't want to create hysteria that doesn't need to be there. But overall, the whole school did a great job yesterday. Great comments from the teachers about the students. The teachers did a great job. The parents did a good job, and just a great team effort. So I want to thank you for that. And today is Thursday, and today is going to be a great day at JMB. Thank you. Have a great one.